Besides our peer review and internship paperwork and professional development activities if you have not yet submitted them, the cover letter and their peer reviews will be your last assignment for this class. I have attached a video on cover letter writing tips. Please note there are a few things that I disagree with in this video, though overall it is very good. The first I disagree with is that the address of the company is double-spaced. You should never double-space anything on a letter. The second thing is the writer writes the letter to Susan. I would never do that in professional communication as well. Always address it to Mr., Ms., Dr., whatever their professional title might be. There's also another PowerPoint kind of describing the same things that the cover letter video showed. And then the assignment will be done in a workshop format. You will submit the assignment and be given 2 peer reviews to do one more time, and hopefully that'll show up by now. We've gotten it all figured out. Hope you have a good time writing your cover letter, and we'll talk to you later.